Imagine waking up tomorrow, looking out your window, and the sun is bright blue. Not yellow, not orange, deep electric blue. Will the world celebrate this new cosmic makeover, or panic like it's the end of days? Let's dive into this bizarre scenario. We're not talking about a cool Instagram filter. This is the real sun, suddenly shining as a blue star. But before we start planning blue theme parties, we need to understand what this actually means. A blue sun isn't just a color change. It means the sun has become a much hotter, more powerful type of star, the kind astronomers call a blue giant. Right now, our sun is a nice, calm yellow dwarf, sitting at about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on its surface. But a blue giant? That's a whole different beast, with surface temperatures up to 50,000 degrees. And if that happened overnight, oh boy, things would get messy. First, Earth's sky would turn a deep, vivid blue, much darker than we're used to. Shadows would look sharper and more intense. Sunsets? Forget those soft golden colors. You get glowing blue horizons that look like alien landscapes. Cool for Instagram, terrifying in real life. Then the temperature would spike. Our sun currently provides just the right amount of heat to keep Earth comfy. But a blue star would blast out way more energy, maybe 10, 20, even 100 times as much. That means Earth's surface temperature would skyrocket within hours. At first, you just feel like you're in a brutal heat wave. But soon, oceans would start to warm, ice caps would melt almost instantly, and within weeks, much of the planet would be covered in boiling water vapor. And it wouldn't stop there. Blue stars also emit a lot more ultraviolet light, the kind that causes sunburns. Our ozone layer wouldn't be ready for this. Step outside without protection, and you could get a severe sunburn in minutes. Sunscreen companies would make a fortune, until humanity realized this isn't fixable with SPF 50. Plants would dry up, animals would collapse from heat stress, and entire food chains would crash. If humanity wants to survive, we need to find a way to live underground, underwater, or off the planet entirely. Here's the shocking part. Earth might not even last long enough for us to try. A blue giant sun would be so hot that our planet's atmosphere could be blown away within months. Eventually, Earth might look like Mercury, scorched, barren, and lifeless. In other words, if the sun turned blue tomorrow, we wouldn't just be dealing with weird colored mornings. We'd be facing a countdown to total extinction. So, while a blue sun might sound beautiful, it would actually be a death sentence for life as we know it. Luckily, this can't just happen overnight. Stars don't switch colors like mood rings. Our sun is stable and will stay yellow for billions of years. But imagining it reminds us how perfectly balanced our solar system really is. That ordinary yellow sunlight you see every morning, it's exactly what keeps our planet alive. So what do you think? Would humanity try to survive under a blue sun? Or will we all just give up and throw one last massive beach party? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this cosmic thought experiment, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next What If adventure.